Hi there, David here and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. I've got to go down to the Gold Coast to pick up my son, so I thought I might spend the day down there checking out some of the great foiling spots that I hear so much about and have a look around and just have a bit of a reminisce over old times. I have spent a fair bit of time there in the past, but I haven't been there for years. So let's shoot on and head on down. As we approach the Gold Coast, traffic gets noticeably heavier and noticeably more aggressive. Just coming past Underwater World, just passing SeaWorld and all the theme parks, so that might account for some of the traffic, but not all. It's also looking pretty wet, and so I might be looking for some other things to do for a little while. I thought we might go to foiling Wonderworld. Well, that's the reputation anyway. Place of its own down here, Surf FX. Let's go and check them out. Here I am, Surf FX. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Man, it's quite the store. The first shop that I've been in where it's like a record shop. It's not just about the having a board, it's having, we've got Smick here, we've got Fanatic, we've got Starboard, Armstrong, Sky. They've really got the whole kit and caboodle. Sonova, it's all here. That is a rack of boards and a half. There's all these boards, and look, I can just see the face of the man I've watched a whole heap of videos on.
Hey guys, John from Surf FX.
John David.
Hey, David.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, man.
What a great store you've got here.
Yeah, thanks. We got a lot of stuff. We got stuff here. We got a lot of stuff like sitting in my garage and spare bedrooms and all over the place. We got a lot of product.
Yeah. And I really like your videos too. If you've never watched, go and get on to, I'll leave the description and link below for Surf FX. You go and see John and go and see some of his assessment of all of this stuff.
Yeah, we run through all these toys and show you what happens when you don't come in the store and you just gotta buy from home.
Well, it certainly is. It's full and it's great. I'd hate to be your accountant.
Yeah, no, he's a full-time busy guy.
Yeah. Hey, look, thanks for showing me around.
No problem.
And,
have a little cruise. Sir.
Yeah. Thanks very much.
Nice to meet you.
What a fantastic little shop. It stopped raining, it's a bit overcast. I can put my glasses on now. I came away with a helmet, which I told I should have, and I just thought it was the motivation. They had a good range, and so I did it. Check out their shop in the description below, I'll leave the link. And let's go and shoot on and head down for a surf. So I've just pulled into North Thread, where they tell me that everyone foils on the Broadwater. The inside tip as well is, and I haven't seen anyone to ask yet, that apparently the council have allocated about 30 spots where the boilers and people who are out on their boards can park without getting fined. So that was a good thing to do, and well done them on that initiative. Pretty wet and miserable. Straight across from me, you can sort of see in the rain, is SeaWorld. And apparently between this and the sandbar just there is a great place to go foiling. Well, here we are, the Broadwater Gold Coast. Apparently this is the spot to keep an eye out for things. And if we look around, to my right is Marina Mirage across the other side. Then SeaWorld straight across, leading through to what in boating terms is commonly referred to as Bums Bay, and then further down is the entrance into the Gold Coast Seaway, and we go out to the surf. There's nobody else here. Just round to my left down here is a beautiful rigging area, and they told me that that's where everyone rigs from, but it's a crappy day today, so nobody's here. I might just hang around to see if anyone turns up and then have a chance to go for a quick spin on the foil. Well, there's no breeze, and so I thought I might go and get a bite to eat while I'm waiting for Cooper. A famous old spot that I remember from years ago was Pete's Fish and Chippery, and that was just near Marina Mirage by the water. Let's go and check it out and have a look at something to eat. Nice. Look at the queue. Doorman with the queue of about 15 people waiting to get in, and then you've got to get in and get served. I think we might go and leave it and find somewhere else to have a bite. Bums Bay. So I managed to grab the car park out at the SWIP, and then have a look, check out the divers. Looking forward down the Broadwater itself, and just reminiscing about all the sailing down there. Holywell is the far end, and great place and popular place to sail. Not to mention divers coming in to experience diving for the first time. So as you can see, popular dive spot. We're nearly at the top of the tide right now, so hence all the people. This is new. I hadn't seen this. They built a purpose walkway and platform just to get out. That'll make life easy. It's not a good day for foiling. It's just a lovely day to be in the water. So Peter's Fish and Chips were booked out and standing room only just to get the takeaway order. I've come to the next best place. That is the room with a view, the pub, right out the top of the Southport Seaway. Let's sheet on and get into some fish and chips. Well, we've just dropped Cooper back in Brisbane and now back on the Sunshine Coast. It's been fun going to check out the Gold Coast and all it has to offer. We didn't get to go for a foil, but I would like to go back and explore a little bit more sometime, hopefully soon. It seems like there's so much there that's available to anyone who wants to get out and wing. Thanks to Surf FX for showing me around. Seaway was wonderful, and it's always just nice to be by the water in those conditions. That's it for Wild Goose Adventures. Hope you enjoyed our little jaunt around the Gold Coast. If you want to see some more, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That'd be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.